Now we just launched this CloudyCluster control instance from the CloudFormation template. And as you can see, it's still initializing over here. And we'll hit a refresh. And now it's all running and ready to go. So before, when we were at the CloudFormation Manager, you could see we went to Outputs, select the stack, and that's the IP address that we configured. And in the EC2 console, you can see that that indeed is that same address. So now we will go and proceed to that IP address. And the first time you go there, it may actually not be ready because it takes a couple of minutes for it to initialize. So now you can see that it's launching, the domain's been attached, and all the work has been done to go through your initial launching of CloudyCluster. So this is just the initial control instance. There's just one instance running at this point. So you can choose a file. We'll go to my PEM key here. And then we'll go next. And we'll be prompted for a few questions. And so we enter the name of the person we want. So we'll just set up this main user as admin. And we'll say master. And then we'll go ahead and skip the Google email for now for collaborations, but we'll want to add that later. And then here's the user and the password you want to set up. And you have to remember what you want to type. Type it again. And then you have options to do federated authentications. You can do in common with Internet 2 or Google, Facebook, Twitter, which will set up a local account as well as enabling it with a federated account as well. But we'll just do a local account for this demo. And as you can see, we have the main page here. And now CloudyCluster is ready to configure and set up your first HPC environment. Now, whenever you set up CloudyCluster, you always should remember that to delete CloudyCluster, you want to go to the administration option and then choose Remove Control Instance and Database. And then you click Delete, and it'll ask you for sure if you've deleted all the instances and everything. And I'm going to say Cancel, but you want to say OK, because that will then delete everything. Now, you can't have any existing environments or anything when you do that, but that deletes the database. Otherwise, if you just delete it from the CloudFormation template, it actually leaves the DynamoDB database out there, and then you'll end up paying a few bucks a month that you don't need to. So just wanted to point that out. Whenever you set up a CloudyCluster instance, this is how you tear it down. Now, once you've deleted it from the UI, then you go in and select the stack you want to delete, choose Actions, and then say Delete Stack. And it'll ask you, are you sure? And then go ahead and delete the stack, and it will start deleting. And now you can see it's all deleted.